Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do a quick overview. This is not a review, but an overview of an interesting gadget by PWAY. It's an HDMI KVM switch that allows you to connect two processors, or computers, as many people call them, into one monitor. So this little gadget allows you to connect two processors through this switch into one monitor. So it's really cool. If you have, for instance, a laptop and a processor, you can also use this switch to connect. So you just need to click it in order to switch between the processors, or a laptop and a processor. And this USB hubs are for the USB keyboard or a mouse. And at the back you have an option to connect. You see it has PC1 and PC2, meaning you can use both of the ports to connect both of the computers or processors. What I like about this little gadget, that it comes with all the cables that you need. So it has the USB cable and the HDMI cables. The box comes with 4 of these, so 2 USB and 2 HDMI cables, so you don't have to worry about anything. And a very good manual that lays out in detail how you can connect it, and the scheme is very well written, the schematic, so you don't have to worry about understanding what is written. So I'm really happy with the way the whole package is set up, and I hope you like the review as well. Thank you.